Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain how to load event records into one target and R records into another target. So if you are first time visitor, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay. So now let's see. So we can able to achieve this requirement in two ways. So first way is using sequence generator. Second way is using mode function. So by using these two ways, we can able to achieve this requirement. Now I will show you how to create mappings. So how to run jobs, all these things I will explain in this lecture. Okay. So now go to designer. So Informatica designer, go to, so here I have already my source and targets. Now I will create mapping. Go to mappings, create, choose m underscore load even and odd records, drag source and drag targets. Okay, so here I need one expression transformation. This is my expression transformation. Drag all these ports to expression transformation. So apart from this, I need one sequence generator to generate sequence numbers. So this is my sequence generator. So majority of the logic exit in this sequence generator properties. So here I drag this next value, then go to sequence generator transformation. Here go to properties. So by default we have these properties. Okay, so I change this as a start value starting from 1 and incremented by 1. It means if in case start value 1, then second time it will run, it will incremented by 1, then it will start value become a 2. And also I will change this end value as a 2. So whenever you change this end value, what will happen, right? Go to Excel sheet. So let's assume we have 10 records. So first record start value with 1. Second record it will incremented by 1. Then 1 become a 2. Okay. So whenever you choose this option, okay, in sequence data transformation, end value is a 2. And also you need to check this cycle option and reset option. So whenever value become a ended to, again this cycle will start. Again this 1 and 2 cycle will start. So whenever it reach end value as a 2, again it will reset that value. Okay. So if you observe here, even if you select this cycle option, here it displaying reset to stat value if maximum value is reached. Okay, whenever you choose cycle option, so here maximum value will be end value. Okay, so if you choose reset option, now we'll see what will happen. Restart the sequence at the current value each time a session run. Here current value is 1, right? Again it go for 1 and incremented by 2. Okay, so this way we can achieve this requirement. Observe here clearly, start value with 1. So first record it assign 1. Okay, then second record it incremented by 1. Okay, now value become a 2. So as per our properties, cycle it's saying reset to start value if maximum value is reached. Here maximum value is 2, end value is 2. Okay, then we choose this reset option, right? Whenever we choose this reset option, see here, restart this sequence at the current value each time session runs. Again it takes current value, by default it is 1, right? Again it takes 1. Again check all these conditions. Okay, so this way each and every record it will assign cycle values. Like first value, once it reach maximum value, again reset the value from current value. Current value we have already 1, right? Again it assigned to 1. Then reach maximum value. Then it current value 1. Okay, then it reset the value current value 1. Again it incremented by one value. Again it reset the value, then start with current value. So this way sequence generator assigns sequence numbers to each and every record. Okay, now let's see. So we have set these properties. Click on OK. Now in between this I use one router transformation. So this is my router transformation. Then drag all these ports to router transformation. Okay, so in this router transformation I will create only one group, that is odd number group. Your wish, you can give even number also, but you need to give proper filter condition here. So what I suggest here, next value equal to 1, then only those records will load it into odd records. If you see here Excel, so next value equal to 1, then this record goes to odd target table. Then where is exact one is coming, tar record. So this one also considered as a odd record, right? So this way it will keep on loading all odd records into our target. So remaining what data exit here, remaining even records, these even records go to default group. Okay, in router transformation. Now see, apply. Okay, now I will connect all these odd records to odd record group. Okay, this is my odd record group. I will connect these particular ports to odd records target. Sorry, apply 1 to department. Tap in salary. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Apply in. Okay, I think my target structure is not properly. I will delete these target structures. First I need to recreate my target structures with a different name. Okay, so I use same EMP table. Okay, so EMP underscore odd, then I choose again same EMP underscore even. Click on OK, apply. Okay, save it. Now clear this one, execute one by one into target database. So my target will be this infra tgt schema, provide infra username and provide password. Click on connect. So just choose create table option, select generate and execute. Now this table is created in our target schema. Again same for our target also. Import database, sorry, generate execute SQL, generate and execute. Now let's see whether our table structure is created or not. First we need to check that one. Now go to SQL developer. So this is my even. Now my target structure is created. Okay, same even records target table. Okay, now I will drag again this better target tables to in our mappings. Okay, now first group I need to connect our target table. Okay, select it, drag it. I think all ports are connected properly. Remaining default records go for event records. Okay, now arrange all icon. Okay, now save it. Now this mapping become a valid. Now I will generate workflow. Here you should provide prefix name. Click on next, finish. Now go to workflow manager. There is workflow manager here. Mm. So first we need to disconnect this folder, again reconnect. Now workflow gets created. Now open it. Just to choose connections here. So actually my EMPL table is coming from HR schema. Okay, and also my targets are present in info target schema. Okay, same connections I created here. Okay, so first you need to set these options to normal, and check this one and check this one. Apply. Okay, now save it. Now start workflow. Go to monitor. So now see, records got succeeded. Total 107 records exist in this EMP table. In this 107 records, 54 records go for a odd records table and 53 records go for even records table. Okay. Now go to DB level. First we need to cross check all those things. Okay. So right now we don't have any data. Whenever I run this query, automatically data getting populated. Okay. So this is one way to loading data from one target to different targets based on even and odd conditions. Okay, now again I'll truncate this data. I will develop one more implementation by using mode function. Okay, so I truncate all these tables data, commit it. Now again go to, I will close this mapping. Okay, go to workflow manager, designer. Now I will create one more map. So even records using mode function. Okay, click on OK. So drag this target, drag these targets and sources. Okay, so now my source is ready and also my targets are ready. Okay, now I will drag on expression transformation. Then I choose router transformation here. Okay, choose router. So drag this all post to router. Here in this router, I will use simple filter criteria. Okay, that is nothing but a first I will filter odd records based on employee numbers. If you observe here in this source table, we have employee ID. Based on this employee IDs only, I will segregate the data. How? So if 100 divided by 2, so if reminder getting 0, then that will consider as a even records. So this first record goes for even records. So if I calculate based on the record 101, it's not a reminder getting a 1. So then this particular record goes for odd targets. So this way I will segregate the data based on employee ID. Okay, so by using mode function. Okay, same way in this group I will write this condition. So mode open parenthesis, then pass employee ID. So if employee ID divide by 2, then equal to 1, then that particular record considered as a odd records. Then that's it. Remaining all are even records only, right? So now I will send this odd records group records to odd record targets, and then default group records I will map to even records table. Okay, that's it. Okay, with a single, if in case someone asks you in interview, you should explain these two ways. Okay, these are very easy. So that's why I explain these two things. Okay, now click on save. Now generate workflow with reusable sessions, then provide suffix, next, finish, go to workflow manager, uh, just disconnect and reconnect. Now one more workflow gets created. This is my workflow name. Then set all these connections, source connections. So my target will be info target. Make it as a normal, uncheck all these remaining options we don't need right now. Same way in this even records, records targets also uncheck all these options. Okay, so now apply. Okay, that's it. Click on save. If you observe here, right now in these targets we don't have any data. Okay, we don't have any data in these target tables. Now I will run this one, start workflow. Now currently it's running. See, again it got succeeded currently. So total 107 records, 53 records load into odd target table, 54 records load into even target table. Okay, so now go to DB level to cross check. Okay, see total 53 records, even 54 records. Okay, so this way we can load even records into one target, odd records into one target by using these two implementations. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now, so tomorrow I will come with another scenario. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.